Welcome to Learn to Strum, a quick lesson. Buckingham Green by Ween has these chords: A minor, F major, leave your one string open, C major, D minor, E minor, E major, C major, A sus. That is 0, 0, 2, 2, 0. Most important, your right hand if you are a righty guitar player. Mute, palm mute those strings by putting your hand, your palm, near the bridge, pretty much covering up those strings so you can get that percussive, rhythmic sound. And then play the chords. Hope you enjoy. That is a wonderful song, and it's really nice because that one progression repeats over and over and over. Thank you, Ween.